Okay, guys, I'm gonna bend this. This is your first time hearing my voice. Sorry, I'm snacking. The website I use is called Klecky.com. KLEKI.com. It's actually a really easy place to navigate. It's really fun to use, and so far, I've been having some results. Oh god, I always mess that part up. I've been having some good results. First and foremost, always start off with the eyes. It makes life so much easier. See, in this photo, they're smiling Luz is smiling very cheekily. So I think I'm going to have the tongue sticking out in this one. Just to be like a little teasy. Tease the audience a little bit. So, I want to talk about something. There's an issue with people these days. You know, I'm specifically coming at you gacha users, so this is a very trigger warning. I'm not a gacha user myself, never used the app before. I have little to no knowledge on the game. But all I gotta say is when I watch YouTube videos with gacha YouTubers, is stop using depression as a personality trait to make yourself quirky. It's stupid. We both know that. Because I, for one, deal with a lot of anxiety, social anxiety, a lot of stress. I went through depression. So when I see people joke about that on the internet, I lose my frickin' head. Like, you will never see me this messed up about society unless it's about that subject, because it's not a joke. It's not a, oh, look, I have depression, he. No. There have been suicides. There have been all types of things. So when you joke about cutting yourself or having depression, that's disgusting. And that's how I feel. Because that's not cool. And it's not funny either. It's not cute. It doesn't make you more popular. No, it doesn't. It makes you look like a freaking psychopath. That's the worst Band-Aid I've ever drawn in my life. Oh my freaking god, I can't get the shape right. Okay. And at this point, the kids who do that, who raised you? You're supposed to be raised better, my dude. Like, that aggravates the frick out of me when people do that. Like, there are people who actually suffer with all these types of things, and you're gonna make a little joke out of it. Be like, oh yeah, this is what a depressed character looks like. They dress in gacha like black hoodies. Most of the time, I would have to say, they make the character dress in black hoodies. They never show their face. If they're a wolf, their ears are always down. If they're a demon, their tail's never up. You know, things like that. Small stuff. They have them cut. Just the dumbest thing in the world. Like, why would you do that? You're such an idiot. This is how you lose subscribers, guys. Not that I have any. I'm just, like, that's just an issue that needs to be stopped. Along with harassment in gacha. Pretending that harassing someone is funny. I'm not with that. Being like guys harassing female characters. That's not funny. Because there are instances in real life where people get raped. Or assaulted. Well, sexually assaulted. And you're just gonna be like, oh, this guy's just gonna do that to this kid in a gacha. It'll give me 30 more subscribers. No. Not cool. Not funny. We need to stop this. We need to break the barriers and stop this all. That's how I feel. Well, what the frick did I just do? Okay. I'm like heated right now while eating my nice little snacky and talking about that. Another issue I have with gacha people. Another issue. The overuses of makeup. I'm gonna switch tabs real quick. Gacha person in makeup. Alright. Let me show you. Look at this. Overused makeup, sorry. Not that. Overused makeup. Why so much? Like, what the frick? Overused makeup. Overused makeup. Could they just get makeup off of gacha right now? That's how I feel. Like, overused makeup. They be making these people look like their lips fatter than a freaking pig. I'm over here like, I don't want to see your lips that fat. I was here to get some good quality content, and you got these fat, ugly lips on your face. Like, I'm just gonna click off and never talk about this again. Never. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I've disliked so many gacha life videos. I dislike gacha a lot. So when it comes to nitpicking small issues, I'm gonna catch all of them. Especially because I don't like it. Or if you all guys watch the gay gachas, any of you, I'm about to expose y'all lesbians. Where are you at? Anyways. Point is, if you watch those, do you ever notice how relationships always end in a happy ending? Right? They always happen with a happy ending. When you're in real life, my heart has been broken by so many straight girls. And they gonna be like, oh, we ain't straight, we all gay in the school. Or like the all gay schools. If you know what I mean by all gay schools, is like all gay guys or all gay girls go to that school inside of the gacha. And what I don't like about that is it makes finding a love so easy, look so easy. And by easy, like, it just makes me upset because some of us who actually look for love IRL in real life don't ever find it. And then we start looking towards these fairy tales and it's just like, they make it look so freaking easy to get a girlfriend, you know what I mean? And I'm just like, it ain't that easy. Me over here like, can we just stop, please? Like, can society just stop it? If we all know what I mean, like, just stop. Because that's how I feel. Like, I get upset. And I don't get upset at gacha very often. Unless it's really bad, cruddy skit. I don't really get mad. When I get mad at gacha, oh great, my laptop's gonna die. Let me plug it in. We're shifting spaces. I usually don't get mad. So when I get mad about gacha, you know that there's something up. Because usually I'm like, oh, this is cruddy quality or something like that, right? Oh god. Fall over. Okay. Oh dang, I'm running out of time to film this. Anyways, point is, probably have to edit a lot of this out because it's a crappy video. I'm just gonna put music over my voice at this point because it's not even worth it. But at this point, yeah. Also, if you are transphobic, homophobic, get off my channel. I'm a trans guy, so. Trans guy means I'm biologically a female. Yeah, you must be wondering, how'd you get her voice so low without T? My voice is naturally low, so I have the advantage. Although puberty ain't helping with that. Yeah. So basically, dear Gacha Life users, shut the frick up. Also, if you want to follow my Scratch account, that would be nice. I like to code animatics. Maybe we could do a collab. Yeah. That's all I can think of for right now. I'm trying to think about things that can make Luz more boily. Get rid of this thing. Then you go like this. Then you go like this. Then you go like, right? Bring it down even lower and boom. I don't think that looks bad at all. Okay, we all know it's trash, but this is as good as it's gonna get. Because I usually don't have 4 hours to film. I only have 15 minutes. So, yeah. Oh, I forgot to finish coloring in the Band-Aid. I'm glad I caught that. We'll give you a dark blue Band-Aid, buddy. Yeah, the reason I came up with another name for Luz, the gender bend name. I named it Rios, because, well, it'd be Ryo, because it's Ray in English. And when you go over to Google Translate, let me go pull up my Google Translate here. Alright, so I'm going to show you something. I am Puerto Rican. So, when you put in Rios de la Sol, it's rays of sunlight, which Luz's name is light. So for short, instead of putting as the name, what rays of the sun, Sunlight no Seda, instead of having that long name, we named him Rios no Seda, aka rays, or if you wanted to, Ryo. That's lightning. Okay, Rios it is. Ray. Yeah, it's Ray. Because if you have Ryo, that's lightning, so it'd be Ray. That'd be his name. That's how I came up with the name, just in case you guys were wondering. Not like anybody watches my channel. You know what I mean. I should post an animation and do a voiceover. I should do an animation. Oh, God. So, this is my finished product. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends. Please. I at least want 10 subscribers. I'm lonely. Know what I mean? So, like, subscribe, follow, all that good stuff. Thank you.